Halfway na ba tayo? Patayin mo na ako. So guys, welcome to my channel.
Huwag kang tumaw. Cut.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Biglaan lang, nagkaayaan.
Mga 1 week ago.
Mga 1 week ago. Biglaan, 1 week ago. At papakita namin sa inyo kung saan pwedeng tumambay sa UK pag ikaw ay nalulungkot. Kaya nung kaibigan ko dyan, nalulungkot.
Nung kailangan kong gawin.
Ba't ka nalulungkot?
Ano ba meaning ng bespoke, boy?
Ha?
Bespoke.
Pag gusto mo daw magsalita.
Gago! Kasi nakikita ko palagi, bespoke.
Mali kasi pronunciation.
Ano ba?
Bespoke yun.
Bespoke.
Pag bespoke kasi, dati ka daw pipe.
Ito bespoke kasi to, bespoke. Ano yung bespoke? Ano yung Jai? Bespoke? Ano? Sa anime? Corny ni Gago. May imig ka dyan.
One eternity later.
Outfit check. Hey! Nakapakaangas, tol.
Walang pass.
Asan isa?
Is it here or there?
Yan sa right.
May scramble ata din eh.
Ha?
May scramble kung dito tayo daan.
Scramble egg? Puta yan, sabi nila pupuntan na puro patag, kaya ako nag-Air Force.
Alalay sa pasyente. Patag pa to.
Big mistake. Putang ina, mamamatay na ako.
This is the mountain of gas.
Ay shit. Halfway na ba tayo? Patayin mo na ako.
Yung akala mo madali lang. Akala mo vlog-vlog lang eh.
Ano pa? Ano daw yung droga?
Ha?
Ano daw yung droga tawag niya?
Baka meron ka dyan. Pahingin naman ako dyan. Cash? Cash baby daw.
Gcash.
Gcash? Pa-Gcash ako dyan ha. Purple cash.
So anong plano?
Kita mo yan? Biyakin yan. Man down.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Ano boy? Musta boy? Yung uniform ni Jam daw, laban mo na. Boom!
Taas ko yung tubig.
Ha?
Taas ko yung tubig.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the
Uy,
bitches,
Bigano.
slapping
Yaman mo
on
na. Kanina, okay. Hindi ka okay ah.
For real, I thought I was gonna die before, man.
Ano? 100, pagbibigyan kita.
Anong gagawin?
Gusto niya 300 pounds doon. Sabi ko 500 pounds dito. Gusto pala dito na lang. Doon. Kahit 100, kahit 50.
Ano?
Tatalon ako dyan.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Gawa ako, fix lang. Wala, ako lang. Wala ko lang pera.
So, that's what they call sharp edge. You can actually climb up, but the rest of the way you'll have to be on all fours to reach the top.
You can say in English kasi para maintindihan din ni ano.
All my fellow Filipinos. Now this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
And the boys aren't planning to do that. Because they'd rather go here.
Uy, kumakain ka ba ng itlog? Ano mo? Uy, may naiwan ako dito last time eh.
Na,
Ano ba yun?
may naiwan na.
May naiwan nga, iniwan ako dito last time.
Pagkain?
You know.
Ano yan?
Yung iniwan ko last time.
Asian cutie talaga eh, no?
Luto na boss. Luto na.
Baka yun mo.
Nabalatan na.
45, di ba tinagiging inom?
Ano sasabi niya? Ano daw?
Manok.
Nabalatan na.
Kakabidyo mo, mahypo ka nga.
Puta, effort.
Iniwan mo na nga, mababalat ang pag-isa.
Yung piloto hindi makalipad eh. Tagirap yung piloto eh.
Walang gas kasi, putang
Captain.
ito ng battery, no?
Yung tapos tinangay ng hangin yung drone niya eh, no?
Lalangoy talaga yan, boy. Lalangoy talaga yan. Ay!
Sasagipin yung drone niya.
Ayaw niyo po. Ayaw niyo pairam ng plastic.
The biggest poison in us is regret.
I think there are a lot of people that have dreams and aspirations of things that they always wanted to do, but it wasn't the right time, or they didn't have enough money, or they didn't have enough experience. It's never the right time. You're never going to have the right experience. And all of a sudden you wake up and you're 70. And you're like, God, I wish I could have done it.
It's what you don't do that screws with you later on.
I get one shot at this life. This is it. And I don't want to go through life being the 80% version of me. I don't want to look back and be like 77 and be like, I didn't do that. There's so much I want to do, and I love life so much, I don't want to miss it.
Tanggal daliri niya. Gago, hindi safe yung kanya magpababa.
At may power bank ako, Barn. Mali pa rin na natin.
Ay, magpaturo ko kay Chance.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oo, tangin na mo.
Video niya, no? Kita.
Video niya eh.
Nakita ito. When drones fight back.